In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Fade Panel After Inactivity on your switch control mode or switch control feature on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in your menu bar and then select System Settings. And then on the left side, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select Switch Control. And then there should be an item in here that says Fade Panel After Inactivity. Click inside that oval to toggle it on, and then you can change the duration right under here for how long that is considered inactive. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.